everyone, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today I am going to say about World Coconut Day. September 2nd is celebrated as World Coconut Day. Coconut tree is a kind of palm plant with a single straight trunk. Coconut trees are widely cultivated in South India. Every part of this tree has a use, including the fruit, woods and leaves. You can eat the coconut, and this is the plant most of the common use, and they are rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Coconut water is a wonderful natural drink which is popular in summer season. Coconut oil is used in cooking and it is also very good for hair. Coconut milk is also very popular. The leaves of the coconut plant are very large. People use these leaves to make fences and also roofs for their small huts. Coconut flower have many medical uses. Hope you enjoyed with me, kids. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.